I didn't like fog. I was very tense, but wasn't really bothered by nasty seas so much. I mean, I was obviously aware of the difficulty for which in the boat we had to slacken off speed in certain circumstances, but I wasn't particularly bothered about heavy weather. And I guess every lifeboat crew experiences the same heavy weather for some of the time. The range of calls varies quite considerably, from somebody running out of fuel or somebody being sick or something different, bad weather, damaged sails, broken propeller or broken rudder or something. Though I have to admit I was seasick once. And I went back to work and I spoke to one of our hosts and said, "Thank you for the meal, but I was a little bit ill the next day." And he was very indignant. And then I said to him, well, I was about 7 miles west of the Calf of Man, and I'd been round at the house and had a very big meal with a nasty starter, a nasty meal, plenty of wine, red wine, green wine, purple wine, you name it, it was all mine. So that was the only time I felt ill.